Grab Jimin in the morning, guys.
It smells so banana. Oh, it's bitter.
It smells fishy.
Oh my god.
This is how it looks. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Dito ako ngayon sa Hongdae. And we are doing a collaboration with my friend.
Hi, I'm Tan and my YouTube channel is Wear to Work Style.
Yes, and she's from Thailand. And because is this your first time in Korea?
Actually my third time.
Oh, just like me. We are in front of convenience store. This is CU. So we want to do a mukbang featuring Korean convenience store food. So let's go! So this is inside the convenience store. Favorite ko dito sa Korea. I think it's squid. It's from the Philippines, Cebu dried mangoes. Dito naman yung mga drinks. So mayroong mga juice, milk, coffee, BTS coffee, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, and RM. So I'll try the Jimin variant. 2,000 won, so around 100 pesos each. Here in Korea, they have shopping baskets inside convenience stores, so it's easier to shop for food, sandwiches and snacks, rice meal and salad. This is one of my favorites. It's the rice triangle. I don't know what it's called. It's 900 won, so we'll try this tamti mayo. There's a lot of peach drinks here in Korea, so there are ones in sachet, in box, and in plastic container too. Sausages and hot dogs, crab sticks. Here are the candies and jellies. This is peach. You wanna try that?
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay. This looks so tempting. It's bultak ojingo. It's spicy squid. Aside from peaches, Koreans also love sweet potato snacks. So these are chewy sweet potato. They also have fruits packed in plastic. And then these are eggs, I think. It says strawberry cream cheese. I think I have a lot.
Yeah, a lot of everything. This is mine.
And then they have ramen, of course. We have snacks. Oh, this is potato.
This is what our stuff.
So this is Tan's pick, and this is Christine's pick. I think I got a lot because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet, but Tan ate already. So
Yeah.
let's go and pay. So total of Tan's basket is 13,200 won. Total of my items is 14,700 won. Now we're done shopping for convenience store food, and we will go back to the hotel, and Tan and I will start eating. Going back to the hotel.
Yes.
We are so excited to eat. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
I got 3 drinks.
I got 2 melon, potato.
Goguma, they call it in Korea. Goguma.
Gogoma.
Sweet potato. The BTS, for all the BTS fans out there. Whenever I go to Korea, I have to buy peach. This is strawberry cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Okay. There.
Oh, nice.
So this is how you open it. So first you pop this. Pop it there. And then you can drink it. Oh, this is so nice.
Wow, it's good.
You like it?
Yeah. This one is nice.
It tastes good, right?
It tastes good.
Next drink is the Goguma drink. And then I'll try the peach.
Gogoma. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is not sweet. I can smell like the potato when we eat the potato.
The peach, it's too sour.
Yeah, very peachy.
Shout out to all BTS fans. I think if I were a BTS fan, I would collect like all the bottles.
Yes, yes.
For every convenience store, they don't have each member, so you have to like visit
other stores. I like the bottle.
Oh, it's too bitter. Oh yeah,
They do it really well. I think they make it so people can, you know, collect it.
yeah.
This is bitter, but it's so good for because no sugar. This is the coffee. It's good coffee because normally like the coffee that
It's too bitter. Grab Jimin in the morning, guys.
Maybe tomorrow morning I will buy this.
My favorite.
Crab snack.
Mm-hmm.
It's similar, like the bag looks similar to Thailand.
So this is the shape. Oh, they're supposed to be crabs.
Yeah.
Okay, I was
crab.
confused. Like, what shape is that?
It's crab.
So
it's crab. It's not same as Thai snack.
So what is the name of that in Thailand for the viewers?
ขนมปูไทย
Kanong pu Thai.
Yeah, the smell so banana. It's too sweet for me.
It's too sweet. For me, this is too bland. Like, there's not enough salt in it. But I love that.
You love that?
Yeah, I love that. Clip, right? Oh! Wow.
See?
That's so good. Okay.
This is like fold it. Like maybe 2 or 3 and then you fold back.
Fold back.
And then you bring this up.
Wow, that's so nice. Another great tip from Tan.
Tteokbokki. This one also tteokbokki.
I'm not sure.
This is how it looks. It's like a Chinese snack. They call like ปาตั้งโกะตัวเล็ก
This is so hard. Should we try the sausage? Ooh. It smells fishy.
Yeah.
Right,
In Thailand we
fishy.
call like ปูอัด
Puat.
This one is similar to what we have in Thailand.
Look at the way you're biting. This is how we eat. That's how we eat.
Kimbap.
So this is 900 won each. So Tan's kimbap is Jeonju bibim, and then mine is chamchi mayo.
Okay, let's try. One.
To go all the way to the back, and then you open number 2. So it has the red pepper paste, I think.
This is the paste like that we put in the bibimbap.
Bibimbap. The sauce.
Let me try one more bite. The second bite is like more that chili paste.
There's rice and there's little bit of tuna and mayonnaise. That's it. Here's our table. I'll show you. It's so
Spicy, right? Do you have anything else?
Yeah, I have 2 more. So next we have candy.
Peach jelly. I know that she like love peach. I'm not sure if you have tried this before.
I've never tried that. Sweet potato.
Peach.
This one smells like children's vitamins. Alam niyo yung tiki-tiki? Smells like tiki-tiki. Okay.
I think you will love it.
Okay.
This is real potato.
Right? No, that's a bit expensive. It's 3,500.
I see. But it's good. I think I'm gonna buy this back home.
Smells so good. And then for the no, I don't know this. I've never tried this. So what do you call this in Thailand?
ไข่นกกระทา ไข่นกกระทา
Kainokata.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, this is itlog ng pugo.
ลกนางปูโก
Itlog
ลกนางปูโก You know, I watched like many Korean drama and I saw them eat this. I don't know. This one is 3,000 won. So that is the color.
Brown.
It's
dark
brown.
Cheers for good health and
Cheers.
long life.
Oh, it's bitter. For this kind of bitter is good for your health. Korean red ginseng extract. Oh my god.
Get one. It's not really as soft as regular egg. And it's difficult to bite.
But it's like it's jelly. It's not like it's not like a soft boiled egg.
Yeah. But it's good, right?
It's good.
So this is our table. We want to know Which one's your favorite among the food that we ate?
I like this sweet potato. So this is gonna be one. Second one, I will give for ginseng. The third one is gonna be this. I choose all yours. Strawberry
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Number 4, I will say the triangle kimbap. Tasty.
It's tasty, right?
Tasty.
Right.
The last one, I will choose this.
The crab stick.
The crab stick.
Okay.
This is my 5 favorite.
Wow. So
Yeah.
that's Tan's 5 favorite.
So now it's time for your 5 favorite.
Yeah. My number 1 is this. Some people will not like it because it kind of tastes like medicine. And my number 2 is strawberry cheesecake as well. My third, I finished it already. I did like the tamchi mayo. My number 4, the crab stick. It's really easy to eat. My number 5, probably melona. Yeah, so those are my top 5. I hope you guys enjoyed my collaboration with Tan from Thailand. So invite them to your channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. So my channel is Wear to Work Style. I do a lot of fashion, beauties, and also travel.
I have followers from the Philippines that are also her followers.
Thank you so much.
How do you say thank you in Thailand?
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yes, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Like, wow, I have a fan from Philippines.
From Philippines, yeah. So in the Philippines, you say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Yay! Alright guys, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tan's channel.
And don't forget to watch my our collab.
Yes. So we have a video collaboration with me on her channel, and what do we do there?
We do the get ready with us to concert.
Concert. Yes, we went to concert. We saw Astro, NCT, and more. So check out her channel, guys.
Yay.
So we hope you enjoyed and see you again in Korea.
Bye.